This is the bottom of the passenger side front wing, and you can see that there's some damage to where it joins onto the front valance, and also there's a great big hole that's been filled right around here, so that needs to be fixed before I can fit the front valance. I've cut 2 cardboard templates, one for the rear lip of the panel, and the other one which is going to be the first part of the repair. I've manufactured a panel for that first part. What I intend to do is I'm going to cut down here and fit the first panel. Then I will take out all the filler and the corrosion around it, and then make a panel to cover the damaged area. And then I'll weld the lip on the back of it to strengthen it all up and finish the repair. So I've got all the rust cut out, I've got a panel made, and it's now tacked in place, so all that's left to do is to weld it up. And that's it, done. Now I've turned to the corrosion on the headlight rim, just here, and what I intend to do is to take a piece out here, and around the edge of the rim. And what I've done is I've taken the radius here and transformed it onto a piece of wood, like so, and I've taken a piece of metal, bent the lip around to make it the same as the headlight, and I've got myself now a repair panel which will go in there like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the damaged area out and then weld this piece in. Before I do that, I'm going to make a template of the hole locations, because this is the headlight adjustment hole and I want to get that back in the right place. So I'm going to make a card template out of that, and then I'll be able to drill the hole back in the right place when I put that piece in. That's the front of the passenger side front wing finished now. Show the back of it. I'm quite pleased with how that's come out, and I've also strengthened and straightened up the wing. It was kinked out, but I've put a strengthening plate in here, pulled it all back. I did a couple of similar repairs to the bottom of the driver's side front wing. Next job is to fit the front wings to the car, fit the front panel, and fit the new valance. When I've got those in place, I'll do another video.